freedom.
It is continued powered by World Sports Betting at tisketimes.co.za. MTN 8 weekend, Heritage Day weekend in South Africa. It's a long weekend. The weekend in cool. People will disappear and come back on Tuesday. Some will come back on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it's a big weekend for a lot of people for many different reasons. For us in football, it's a big weekend because we'll find out at the end of the weekend who is in the final of the MTN 8. I dare say Orlando Pirates is already in that final. Junior Khanye, our analyst, will start with Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, 1-1 at the moment. Kaizer Chiefs under pressure, the coach under pressure. There's a rumor even that Kevin Johnson is going to come in and help in there as well. So it's very interesting. So many different things are happening. Umthetwa will not be able to play because he's already played in the MTN 8 for Stellenbosch. So he's not available to play and help Stellenbosch. He's also not available to play and help the Kaizer Chiefs as well. Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, how do you approach this game as a coach? How do you see this game?
Nguloko maprela kunjani ngibulisa uJustice ngibulisele ngwenye yethu
Yes sir.
Yeah ngibulisa no Benedict Sofi la bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Uphethe ketshonija mfethu.
Oh yeah, actually I have a lot of books. I read books basically. I was waking up this morning at 1 a.m. Banyana. There's yours. Iketo Ninja, and then Lena Yagatembe Khatlana.
These books,
They wrote by the same person.
Yeah, Sipalo Muntewa, Nicholas Kirkenas. Yeah.
And this one, Sia Kolis.
Publish it in
NP Publishers, no?
There
you go. He's gonna win the World Cup. He's gonna defend it to Sia Kolis.
Yeah, I know. Plus, we're not very good. I'm going to pay you. Let's get educated kakhulu ngwenyama ke nayo leyo ngeke
education.
Kaizer
Chiefs Mamelodi Sundowns.
Ngiyezwa nje ngeruma ngale uthi Kevin Johnson indaba leya ngesikhulume ngayo, just ngibe excited kancane mara ngaphinde ngabuyele emuva. Yankululeko truly speaking, it's not the easy game fethu. Mawuyibonile first game, coach Kaizer Chiefs approach all the game very defensive. Amatheka wakhe buyafina. And it's very difficult. It tells you to go on kama game approach. It's approaching games ngokuthi stop ama opposition. It's not approaching a game ngokuthi yes, first priority I need to defend. Mhlambe mele attack. Yes, there is negative. Chiefs need to start by attacking, but in the right way. So, we are kule game. Sundowns advantage. They were playing at home. They had advantage with first leg. Azange khona uyisebenzisa. Sundowns dominated the game. Truly speaking, Sundowns could have easily win the game, but ngendlela ukuthi nabo they were sluggish, not agency. Banyathi Kaizer Chiefs, they got the goal, they were shocker, and then Sundowns wanted to react. But mawunga check igame ama-stats, all in all, Sundowns dominated the game. It's just that they never created so many chances. Shalulile was not there. Kuba Khostile ungadlali nge-striker, out and out striker Shalulile, because he's doing a lot in terms of scoring goals. Uhlala more central, tactically so disciplined. He knows where ibola Sundowns webline ngikhuluma ama-player wabo uyawazi strengths ayichara. Sikhuluma ngabo Mshishi, bona bo Repair uyabazi. They find him either way noma ngabe badlala yena ngathinta ibola that much. Second leg, truly speaking, angibona amagoli amaningi ngicela uthatha iball pen ibhale phansi. Mele basuke emuva ngithi. Ngichaza ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs.
The interesting thing about Chiefs is that they have to score. Yes. Whatever happens, like they unfortunately or fortunately for us who will be watching, Chiefs are in a position where they are going to have to score.
Yeah, unfortunately foot situation ukuthi how they going to score, because players individually not showing up at Chiefs. They bought players that they are not even showing up. Ngakutshela mina Nkululeko, not everybody can play for Chiefs. We need to be honest. Kuba ne-hype nje wonke umuntu abone ngathi umfana mangadlalela iStellenbosch or adlalela whatever iclub amaZulu is going to come and click like a club. Lento bekayenza lapho. iChiefs iclub enkulu kakhulu enye club. So kusasa mele basuke emuva. And I normally fancy the coach angeke azakwenze lokho. Into azoyenza uzothi ngcono iphele ngedraw. And the more you udlala ngedraw, especially at Richville, akuna club lapho eyibuye. So Sundowns dominated the game. Bo Alakhli Payana, so many big giants in African football. So I don't see Kaizer Chiefs pound to pound competing with Sundowns with all the players that are back. Nkuluma Masego is back, Shalulile is back, Mshishi as well. We were Limale FNP. So Nkululeko is going to be tough for Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think 3-4. Yes, 3 goals for.
That's a lot of goals. So these teams have already played. Okay. So these teams have already played this season twice.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened in the first one. Sundowns won 2-1. So Chiefs were able to score 1 goal, even though they were just defending the whole game. 2-1. Yeah, at the beginning of the season. And then this one that we just watched, the first leg, it was 1-1. So this one, you're predicting that there's going to be 4 goals for Sundowns.
Sundowns look back player pound to pound. Nkululeko bazozidla bona, but kule game akusasa 3-4 goals bazoyishaya, because truly speaking they have to come, mele basuke. Nangeke azasuka uzofuna upepa, they playing home. Sundowns they want to score. Ayikho game abayidlaleli draw. You see all the game they are approaching, they're not playing to ukuthi ayisekile point eli-1 or they want to win 3 points, and they are capable. But the coach understand players wabo, they understand the system. They've got individual brilliance. Kumshishi. They've got individual brilliance. Ribeiro. Or Numendieta. On the bench, you'll need bench lab against Orlando Pirates. Those players are benching in game Pirates, they never show up. But I'm sure to Orlando Batanglish, because those you can't question equality. But Batanglish with the mangena, we benching and some spectator need to change the game. So against Babadala Nabuban. Because the Kaizer Chiefs in the middle, we know ukuthi badlala nge-combination, abantu abacombine. Udlala ngo-Castillo, udlala ngo-Mart, udlala ngaye, Mutlo sometimes.
Yeah, Matlo now. Because Tanzania, they gave him a chance. He's outside now. It's Matlo who's like more of like an attacker for them.
But even him, I'm surprised. Mag-release Amanyama player why is still there. So Matlo is giving them nothing. So the middle field kulmangayo, you can't compete no Mkwena, no Alende, and also Mangabe Umbule. But I don't think they'll play at 3. Njengoba Pirates Orlando. Because Pirates there were so many ball players, but Pirates didn't show up those players. So Chiefs, I know Zoba Mart. Angakmangaza 3 in the middle. Mhlambe ngayisitheba ngomart afake naye uCastillo. uCastillo kube more umuntu oshala ama deep run. He's not going to play much, but they're not going to play. They're going to play flat labo bantu against abo ball players njengabo Mkwene. Sundowns they'll go alende na Mkwene. And nobody is holding midfield, both of them. All of them they are ball players. So kuzoba nzima kakhulu tomorrow. Very fluid Sundowns tomorrow, we'll see it. The team competing. We need to be honest. 3 goals, 4 goals. Yes, Sundowns will win tomorrow 4-0 or 4-1 or 3-0 or 3-1. True.
Okay, we'll see. Because these games for me, I think these big games tend to be very disappointing. If you watch the Sundowns the Chiefs, your game league, you watch Sundowns against Pirates, you watch Sundowns against Chiefs 1-1. It becomes a game of small matches. I don't know whether it's the nerves, it's the crowd, or whatever. I don't know exactly. But these games, so far this season, these big games haven't really been that great. But we'll see tomorrow. If you're brave enough to back Sundowns to score 4 goals, you can go to wsp.co.za and you'll make a lot of money, I'm sure. If you put 100 rands, I'm sure it will be times by 5 if you back Sundowns to score 4. Because South African football has low scoring matches sometimes. That's why the betting companies give you a lot of money if you think there will be a lot of goals. So that's playing on Saturday at 3 p.m. We'll cover that very quickly. You mentioned Pirates in Stellenbosch. I think in Stellenbosch, I was wishing for them to hold on to that 1-0 and then Bafumana red card. And I knew that the minute Pirates scored an away goal, it's just gonna be like it's gonna be all over. And then Pirates got a winning goal. I was like, nah, there's no way, because Stellenbosch are in poor form. Abo de Jong, it's not clicking. It's not clicking for Ikram Reyners, Jaden Adams. They've just lost Umthetwa as well. It's not clicking for a lot of those players. They have good players. Dino van Rooyen on the right, on the left, Fawaz Basadin. Very good players on the left and right wing back. But generally speaking, they're not the same team anymore. Orlando Pirates 2, Stellenbosch 1. Orlando Pirates 1 foot in the final. What do you think on Sunday?
Yeah, surprising. Stellenbosch is going to surprise so many people for me. Defense Orlando Pirates is not okay. Truly speaking, for me. Yes, so far they're doing very well, but I believe they're supposed to be there. SBC against their 3 runners, Titus, Reyners, and also Tiong.
They usually play Tiong.
Yes, Tiong. So fast players. Though they're not playing in the middle, but they've got iplayer lazibhola lapha lo mfana lo dlala la in the middle Jaden Adams. Yeah, umthetho might ukuthi aze they've got young structure ku development yabi grand. Ngeke ngayibona iTTC yabo not this year le dlala manje year before kulo yanyaka they've got a strong TTC ama player abuya lapha and most ama player lapha manje those are players abuya kulesa structure. Nkuleko izoba difficult Orlando Pirates. I know engqondweni yabo they won the game but ngibona Stellenbosch they're going to surprise them nga 1-0 honestly. And then
the thing is like if it's 1-0, no, because Pirates scored 2 away goals. So it's all over. Like Stellenbosch, that's why I'm thinking that there's no way, because they have to score 2 goals. Yeah. If it's only 1-0, then it's only 1 away goal considered by Pirates. So for them to score 2 goals, I don't know. And in the Pirates now, every time in Orlando, they score a goal most of the time. So I don't see them not scoring.
Yeah, for me, they're not going to score. Stellenbosch say win 1-0 mara. Obvious, Pirates will go through. It's about tight kakhulu game. Stellenbosch they inexperienced team, but they've got players that are capable individual. Though they lose some player maningi var. But the Pirates and Stellenbosch will be obvious game. Pirates and Stellenbosch will be obvious game. Stellenbosch they're gonna win 1-0, but the Pirates will go through because of the makola 2 as usual. It's a goal advantage la 2 wabo. Yes, but 1-0 Stellenbosch they're gonna win the game.
All right, it's gonna be very interesting, of course, to see whether or not Orlando Pirates will be blocked from scoring at Orlando Stadium. But we'll see. We'll be here on Sunday. That's at 3 p.m. as well. You can go to wsp.co.za if you want to put money on that game too, and any other game that's playing, whether it's in the EPL, in the Serie A, in the La Liga, and in other sporting codes as well. There you go. Then enjoy the weekend. All the best to all the teams. It is TV, it is Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.